Hi, in this video, we will be discussing a few tips and tricks so that you can crack this prestigious exam. You need to finish 5 sections of JMI BA LLB exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 150 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Make numerical ability and legal reasoning your strong subjects. Practice questions to solve them within the time to increase efficiency. You should lay emphasis not on mugging up the formulas but instead try to understand the concepts so that you can modify the formulas according to the questions and the requirement. Remember, negative marking is a factor here. Therefore, try not to attempt questions that put you in risk. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by packing as many tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests which will be limited to attach to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam within the time limit. So, if you value the content of a video, please like, share and comment on our channel.